Do I really look like a prostitute?
I'm not taking. I'm asking my dad to buy it. So. Because I fixed my tire. I got a flat tire. I fixed it. I'm just waiting for a piece now. Like there's a bolt, the one that where the tire hooks on. I kind of stripped it, so I ordered a new piece.
I'm the devil. I can do what I want.
So if I get it, that's on. I had somebody look at it. I could have traded it for a nice set of rims for my car. Nice set of rims. But like,
it's on the video.
If I sell 1,200 or
Sarah!
if I sell it 1,200 or 1,000, I'll let it go for it. Because,
You look like a whale right now.
The only thing that needs to be replaced is the seat. The seat, the dog seat on it.
Put it in. Put it in right now. Put it in.
That little
Sarah.
seat on it.
Hey, Sarah, baby.
That's the only way I priced out how much over a quart.
Right, Kathy.